How to heal chapped lips naturally. Dry, chapped lips can be painful and annoying. Since lips don't contain oil glands, this condition can easily occur any time of year. Many products available at drugstores contain preservatives or fragrances that can be irritating to those with sensitive skin. For a more natural approach to healing your chapped lips, you can try oils like coconut or olive, or shea or cocoa butter. You can also try some natural approaches to preventing chapped lips, like staying hydrated or keeping your lips and mouth covered while outside. Naturally treating your lips. Exfoliate your lips with a sugar scrub. To gently remove flaky skin from your lips and prime them for moisturizer, make a scrub out of a small amount of sugar mixed with olive or coconut oil. Apply the mixture to your lips with gentle pressure from your fingers and leave it on for a few minutes. Then, gently scrub and rinse your lips. Follow this regimen with an application of a natural moisturizer like honey or olive oil. Apply oils to your lips. Plant oils like olive, coconut, castor, and sesame are filled with essential fatty acids that can help moisturize your skin, and they are easily absorbed. Olive oil contains antioxidants like vitamin E, polyphenols, and phytosterols, and these can help protect the skin from premature aging. 4. Since coconut oil is solid at room temperature, it is a great portable option for your chapped lips. You can put some in a tiny jar and apply it throughout the day. 5. Castor oil, which is from the castor bean plant, can also be used to treat dry lips. Moisturize your lips with cocoa or shea butter. Although these thick, fatty butters are commonly found in commercial lip products, they can be used in their natural state. Doing so helps you avoid added fragrances or petroleum products. Apply either butter to your lips several times a day to utilize their moisturizing properties. Cocoa butter, which is extracted from the cocoa bean, is high in antioxidants and is gentle enough for people with sensitive skin. 7. Because it is an emollient, cocoa butter adds a protective layer of hydration to your lips and blocks the drying effects of cold air or indoor heat. 8. Shea butter is the fat extracted from the nuts of African shea trees. It is high in vitamin A and is very moisturizing and hydrating. 9. Grab some honey. Because of its antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, honey can be an excellent choice for treating your chapped lips naturally. Additionally, it is a humectant, so it draws moisture from the air into your lips. Apply cucumber slices to your lips. Thinly slice a cucumber and place the slices on your lips for up to 30 minutes. The water in the cucumber can soothe and replenish dry lips. Cucumbers are high in vitamin C and caffeic acid, two antioxidants that can also protect your lips from sun damage. Try rose petals soaked in milk. Soak 10 to 12 pesticide-free rose petals in 1/2 cup of milk and refrigerate for a few hours. Then, strain out the rose petals and mash them until they form a paste. Add a few drops of milk to the petals if necessary and apply to your lips. Leave on for 10 minutes, before rinsing with warm water. You can do this a few times each day or before you go to bed. The rose petals have anti-inflammatory properties, and the paste will leave your lips with a slight pink hue. 14. Moisturize with heavy whipping cream. The natural animal fats in heavy whipping cream can gently moisturize and treat your chapped lips. Apply a few drops of heavy whipping cream to your lips and leave it on for about 10 minutes. Then, gently remove the heavy whipping cream with warm water and a soft cloth. The combination of water, fat, and proteins found in heavy whipping cream are gently soothing to your lips. 16. The lactic acid in milk is a gentle exfoliant, which can be useful in removing flaky skin from your chapped lips. Half and half or whole milk may also work.